Let's move on. This one's fun. I heard you humming. This one is good. I like this one. This next one still involves some Adobe Sensei magic as well, with audio, though, as well.
Oh, I like audio.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Please welcome Zayu Jin with Project Kazoo.
Yes.
Welcome.
How are you guys doing today?
Good.
You guys like music? All right. So you know, learning a musical instrument is a lot of work. And as content creators, we actually don't have that much time. But how do we play music like professionals? How can we create musical assets as if we are trained and we are professionals? So I have a really good news for you. Introducing Project Kazoo. Project Kazoo is a new sensei technology that can transform your voice into music.
Serious?
Yep.
I've been trying to do that for years.
You will see, you will see. Look, so suppose we're creating a music line for this fuzzy monster. Sorry about my drawing, by the way. How do we do this? Very simple. Let's open Project Kazoo. So let's zoom in. So this is the interface of the prototype Project Kazoo. When we press record, we can start singing. Let's give it a try. OK, that's the C. Yeah, I'm really not good at singing, by the way.
You want me to sing?
Sure.
You wanna, whatever you want to do, it is your demo. Whatever you're comfortable with. Do you want to show us how it works first?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then
Let me
gotta
try first, because I'm nervous. It may break down for something, right? Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go.
What you trying to say?
Test round number one. Test round number one. OK.
Okay.
Please be quiet, because I'm recording right now on the stage.
Okay.
All right. I need the bass again. OK. OK. Da 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 da. Cool. So that's my voice.
You have a good voice.
Da 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 da. OK, that's embarrassing. All right. But now we can turn it into violin. What to do? Click on synth. Let's hear it.
Get a Grammy.
Wait.
Yes, that's good. No?
Wait. Not just violin. We can change to a different musical instrument.
Okay.
For example, cello.
Oh, man, I'm finna drop a Beyonce album.
Or make me sing in soprano voice, which I always dreamed of.
Oh my goodness, I'm finna drop an album! Produced by Kazoo! Project Kazoo producer.
And how about an octave higher than that? I really did it.
Wait. Can you hit a Mariah Carey note? Can you hit a Mariah Carey note? The Mariah... You know, the Mariah Carey, you know. You know who Mariah Carey is? Never mind.
It's really hard to hear over there.
Never mind.
He's isolated in a little sound booth.
Sorry, I can't really hear from there. The reverb is too high.
Oh, okay.
You are amazing. Is that not ridiculous? Great job.
Yes.
Yeah. It's not finished. It's not finished.
Wait, you're not finished.
Oh, sorry, keep on going. I'm sorry.
Oh, show me more.
Guys, not just voice. We can actually using a different musical instrument. Back to school, we all learned this recorder, right? We hate it. But now we can turn it into saxophone. Watch. All right, that's my
Well, you're really good at that.
that's my recorder performance. Now let's hear in saxophone. Uh-oh. And finally, I want to show you guys another feature. So suppose we're going to create something that's not real. For example, a talking violin. Can we use this? The answer is yes. So Project Kazoo can follow your voice as exactly what you sing. So I can turn on voice follow, and I can actually laugh, and it will imitate my laugh in the sound of violin. So give it a try. So this is going to be a laughing violin. Record. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Sorry about my laugh, by the way. All right. So now, when I click sync, it will laugh in violin sound. But let's tell a joke first. A talking violin walks into a bar.
What happened?
Good job. Thank you.
Stuff. Zayu, you are the man. He has quite a singing voice.
Would you like to try?
I would love to try it.
Come here. You have to come here because the recording is...
All right, we got to be fast. Real fast.
We need
have
to be
another
quiet.
demo.
As you can see, we are picking up a lot of audience singing right here. So
Okay.
we need to be quiet when she sings. Do you need a bass sound, like a C?
Yeah,
You can try to sing whatever. All right, get ready.
Hey, 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 yeah, yeah.
That's awesome. That's really awesome. So I still have voice follow on. So we will hear a violin of her voice. Actually, let's try cello. Let's try cello.
I got a deep voice. Go with the cello.
Yes, let's go cello. And I will make the transpose a little lower because your voice is high. And sing.
Yeah,
Oh, that's too low. That's too low. Let's try a little bit higher.
it's like
I'm a little insulted. Well, I don't think I'm a cello. That's definitely
Contemporary
not
performance.
the instrument that I am.
you have options.
We're going to play with this later. Can we play later? I would love to play
Of
with
course,
this later.
yes.
Do you got a wife? Okay.
And he's
All right.
single. Thank you so much, Zayu, Project Kazoo.